pusok, pinanawa magtutok. Anya na nagsakit, anya din anagot. Inururay kabiyag ko, tinabayag ka nito. Numawan di kan makita na agsublito'y arpat ko. Sinugat mo daytoy pusok na nagayaken ka. Nang namnama agururay ken ka. Naulilan di ayat nga silangan. Gapot di adayon dito'y denak. Ada ka di kabiyag ko, tinabayag ka nito. Mamawan di kan makita na agsublito'y arbad ko. Sinugat mo dayto'y puso na agayat ken ka. Nang namnama agururay ken ka. Naulilan di ayat nga silangan. Gapot di adayon di ko'y denak. At agad sa baringa kaya nayat. Anang gapuang magpasakit ka na. Naulilan di ayat nga sinagatan. Gapot di adayon dito'y denak. At agad sa baringa kaya nayat. Anang gapuang magpasakit kanya. Anang gapuang magpasakit kanya. Anang gapuang magpasakit kanya. Makita kalaeng agbalin na napudot ti pusok. Tiro pa mo kaslainit, manglawag iti biyag ko. Napintas kaunay, sana makapagpababa. Si kalaeng ti kayat ko, si kalaeng ti aramid ko. Just seeing you nothing compares. You're the only one I want, the only one I long for. Yung pagpapainak, di makapagsaw, iti sasao. Alain ko mati pusom, di ayat ko an napudot. Ikan kanak ko makasla panagkang kanak mo, di ayat ko an napudot. Ikan kanak ko ma. But I'm too shy, can't say what's on my mind. I hope my warm love can capture your heart. I hope you'll look at me, see me the way I see you. Hope this love I hold, you'll feel it too. Hanapin ta sa lalaki, dungit ka kumaiti. Ayat ko, ayaten ako ma, kasla panagayat ko. Ken ka, sikalaing ti kayat ko, sikalaing ti aaramid ko. Ti pusom ken ti pusom, at tugaw day imay-imay sa. Oh, handsome boy, please hear my love. Love me back the way I love you. You're the only one I want, the only one I long for. Your heart and mine will beat as one. Ngem nakita ti mata mo, nakita ti ayat mo. Agpad pada ti pusot, agpad pada ti araramid. Imbagam ayaten ka, inumang ka ken sa payak. Na imbaga pa nakikita, napudot ti ayat tayo. Then I saw your eyes, I saw your love inside. Our hearts are the same, our longing aligned. You said I love you, and took my hand. A beautiful meeting, our love so warm and grand. Sikaling, sikaling, hayat tayo, agtultulay ito. Apay kadi aniya nagbasulak, taapay si kantay ng lipat. Sa wemanuan niya, di nagkurangak, da'y tatamakawan, iba ay mo kanyak. Di ko nada nalaka, lat manglipat, nam sikalat, nang isalda akto'y ayat. Tanalaklaka kadi, agayat ti sa bali, na ti pamateg na sinaw na sudi. kabalan, itiyag may sa tapamatig mo, isulat tirag sako.
The miles stretch wide between us now, but you're the only home I know. Every breath I take, I breathe for you, and every step I take leads to our door. I wake up to an empty space beside me. No hand to hold, no voice to start my day. I came here chasing dreams we talked about, building the life we promised we would make. I see your face in every sunrise glowing. I hear your laugh in every quiet night. This distance is just temporary sorrow for a future that shines so bright. I work so hard, I keep on moving forward, just so soon I can come back to you, to wrap you in my arms and never let go. You tell me how the days get long and lonely, how you wish I was there to share. You tell me of the little things you miss so much, the way I listen, the way I call your name. We talk about the house we'll build together, the flowers we'll plant along the fence, the mornings we'll wake up as one forever. No more counting days, no more waiting tens. I know it's hard, I know your heart gets weary, I feel it too, the ache of missing you. But every sacrifice is worth it, darling, for the rest of our lives starting new. If you meet someone who makes you smile, if you feel lost or afraid or blue, please tell me straight, don't keep it inside. Our love is built on truth, me and you. No secrets keep, no fears unspoken. That's how we'll see this through. So be honest with your heart, my darling. Tell me every joy and every tear. Don't carry it alone, my love. I'm with you even when the miles keep us apart. Right here, we're building something strong and beautiful, a life where we won't have to say goodbye. So keep your heart true, just like I'm keeping mine. We'll be together soon, beneath the same sky. Distance is just a test to see how far love can travel. Time is just a bridge to where we wanna be. We promised each other nothing but the real thing, nothing less than all of you and all of me. So if it hurts, say so. If you're happy, shout it out. If you need me closer, I'll find a way. The dream we share is where every mile and honest hearts will never go astray. So be honest with your heart, my darling. I'll keep mine true, just like I promised you. We'll build our world hand in hand.